Do you often catch yourself being extremely confused when it comes to the two tiers of NPS and are looking for more information on the tier 2 account? Well, you have clicked on the right video because I am going to solve your problem. Hey guys, I am Prarthana from ClearTax. Tier 2 National Pension Scheme or NPS account is one of the two tiers of pension accounts offered by the Government of India. It offers flexibility in terms of the NPS withdrawal rules and allows the subscribers to withdraw money without paying a penalty fee. Now, the Tier 2 NPS account does not have any minimum balance requirement, nor do they have any contribution requirement to keep the account active. Also, the Tier 2 account does not have any withdrawal restrictions. Individuals can withdraw money from Tier 2 accounts without any restriction on the amount of withdrawal. Also, there is no restriction on the number of withdrawals. Hence, investors can make multiple withdrawals altogether. How amazing is that? Moving on to the eligibility criteria. Now they are number 1, all citizens, Indian citizens that is, including NRIs can invest in Tier 2 NPS accounts. Subscribers have to be of age 18 years to 65 years. Also, subscribers need to have an active Tier 1 account to open a Tier 2 account. Now there are several features of the NPS Tier 2 account as well. Let's discuss that. All members of the Tier 1 account can open a Tier 2 account, and it is mandatory to have a bank account to open a Tier 2 account. Number 3, the minimum contribution at the time of opening a Tier 2 account is Rs 1000. At least one contribution must be made in 1 year. The minimum amount of contribution that must be made is Rs 250. The minimum balance that must be present in the account is Rs 2000. Transfer of funds from Tier 2 to Tier 1 account can be easily done. No NPS tax benefits can be availed under a Tier 2 account. Activation and transaction charges are to be paid by the subscriber. The only criteria required for obtaining NPS Tier 2 account is an existing Tier 1 account. Hence, the KYC documents are already submitted. These are duly filled registration form, identity proof of applicant, address proof of applicant as well, age or date of birth proof of the applicant. PRAN card is the only valid document required for opening an NPS Tier 2 account. Now finally, let us move on to the taxation for the same. Investments in Tier 2 accounts do not qualify for any tax benefits under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act. However, government employees can avail a tax benefit up to Rs 1.5 lakhs under Section 80C provided they keep their investments locked in for at least 3 years. All withdrawals from the Tier 2 accounts are taxable at the investor's income tax slab rate. Withdrawals within 1 year attract a short-term capital gain tax. For equity funds, the STCG tax is 15%. For debt funds, the gains are added to their income and are taxable at their income tax slab rate. Furthermore, after a year, they have a long-term capital gain tax of 20% with indexation benefits for debt funds and 10% without indexation benefits. For equity funds, the long-term capital gains are taxable at 10% and if the gains are above Rs 1 lakh. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any doubts regarding the video or maybe any future video recommendations, definitely let us know that in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to ClearTax's YouTube channel for regular videos on finance. Stay tuned, stay happy and take care.